What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to defeat the Helms at Batihar, or essentially this thing that roams around, which is called the Desert Marauder. This is located all the way up by the Crimson Desert in the extreme northeast side of the map, around this big loop over here. And this thing will be traveling around this pretty much just anti-clockwise forever. So when we get here, you can see over there to the left is this big moving thing, and that is the Marauder, which we'll be fighting in just a second. But before we do, make sure under skills in the green tree over here, you've got the focus mode unlocked, obviously, very early, as well as the nature's snare ability with the second upgrade, so we can catch some cannonballs this thing fires at us and send them back at the wheels to immobilize it and do damage. That is what is required here, and while you can destroy the cannons using a charged bow shot, it's going to be difficult to get inside. So make your way across to this siege engine or marauder, and as soon as you get close enough, it'll start firing at you. So enter your focus mode, and then start using your nature's snare ability to catch these cannonballs that are sent out towards you, but they have an incredibly small range, so just keep holding it as it drives past until eventually you catch a few of these. I've caught 2 of them here, and then we'll just release them, sending them into the vehicle's wheels, slowing it down, and we'll just need to do this a few times until all the wheels are gone on one side at least, and then the front door should open up where a couple of enemies pop out, and of course these cannons still shoot at you. If you'd like to sort them out, you can use a charged bow shot using both the left and right trigger or left and right mouse button to take these little cannons off, and we can deal with the enemies inside. But eventually, once we've dealt with all of these angry soldiers in here, we can then push into it, and on the inside back of it is this green orb. If you haven't fought these before, essentially you'll be using the pierce ability, which is sprint, and your second attack. So on PC it's shift and right click to pierce it, then we can hit right click again to pull a sword out and smash that little glass orb. You'll be using this in future boss fights as well, so it's useful to remember how to do it. Anyways, that's it. Once the Marauder is taken down, at the end of it, it'll obviously tick off the mission, but you'll also get a Plunderer's Gold chest, which, if we have a look in our inventory, I would recommend to save before we head across to this. You can actually open up this gold chest and it grants a large amount of camp funds. So if we choose to use it, it'll give you somewhere between 100 and 200,000 copper to use in your camp. Note, this isn't your actual cash inventory, but rather your camp's cash inventory. But yeah, anyways, that's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.